Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going to Dwellingup and full driving the fireline trail, and let's see how it goes. How cool is this? Come on. Very slow. Oh crap. Now I got it.
We're going to have to head back, Boo.
We might not be going over that trail because the river's overflowed over the bridge, so we're going a different way to a different trail. So we're back on the fine line trail. We are on the other side because the bridge was closed. I think I've already told you that, but anyways. And then now we're just gonna have a lunch break. We might get back on the track and enjoy the view. So we're just leaving lunch and we're going to finish off, I guess. We haven't done much. Just look down at the water and stuff. had a bit of fun with all the other kids, and see you in a minute when we leave. So we're just pumping up our tyres, and then we might go and look at the falls around here. I don't know what they're called, but I just know they're like waterfalls or something. And then we're gonna go home, I guess. You might see this video soon. So we got home about an hour ago from doing the fireline trail up in Dwellingup, and we went with Matt from West Australian Off-Road. He gave us a couple stickers and stubby holders. All of his stuff is really good quality, like really good quality. And it was fun. Me and Dad are just washing up the car. And thanks for watching. You might see a time lapse of that as well. Thanks for watching.